your fishing line. The fishing line I'm using size 0.6. We pick 4 of the sugar or square beads. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Then you'd pick 2 of the blue color. You pick 1 pink. Blue on the left, pink on right. Then you use the blue bead to do your simple cross threading. The cross threading, it means that you are crossing the thread in the bead. So you see this thread is coming from the right direction, so this one goes from this direction. It means you are crossing the thread. You'd pick your 3 beads, all goes on. You see where the pink bead is. We are turning towards this direction where the pink bead is. So the pink bead is on my right hand side. So I'll fix all the 3 blue beads on my left hand side. Then I use the last bead, which is the 3rd bead, to do the cross threading to turn towards that direction. So this is it, we've turned towards that direction. Then I'll pick 2 of the blue bead, 1 of the pink bead. The blue bead goes on to it first. Then I pick my pink, use it for the cross threading. I pick my 2 pink beads, all on the left or outer thread. Then I use the right or the inner thread for the cross threading. We are turning, so I'll pick 2 of the blue bead. This time around it's not going on my left thread, but rather on my right thread. Then I turn towards the direction of the pink bead. Then I'll pick 3 of the blue beads, all on the outer thread. So you see that it's left with just a step, then we have a complete square. This is where we are coming to fix our keychain. You'd pick 1 goes on the left thread, then you fix your keychain. This is how the keychain looks like. You see the chain has 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. So starting from the top, I'll use the first hole. Then I'll use my other bead to do the cross threading. So this is our keychain. We are going to secure our fishing line. It goes backwards. We pass through the immediate bead. You want to secure it very tightly. You pass through the whole of the chain, then onto the subsequent bead. Through this bead, as you are weaving, don't forget to stretch out your fishing line. Then
please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel.
This is our chain. Very beautiful and nice colors. Very firm as well. So the size is 3 by 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's a complete square. Nice and sleek design. Thanks for watching.